In this video, I'll show you how to buy Feg with Trust Wallets. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, when you open up your Trust Wallet, come on here, type in Feg. So I think this is gonna come out. So I think this is the main Feg that is here. So you can be able to click on buy. Right? So you can be able to buy it with any of this, right? Any of this. So I think the Feg is currently in the BSC chain, that is the BNB chain. So if you want to be able to buy it with your currency, what you need to do, you just go to your, I think your Pancake Swap, right? So I'm gonna just come on here, type in Pancake Swap. So this video is basically just for educational purposes only. So this is it. So I'm gonna just wait for it to load up. So once that's loaded up, I'm gonna connect my wallet to Pancake Swap, right? Because we are going to be able to do this with it. So okay, so let me say if our wallet is currently connected, you should have some BNB, right? You should have some BNB. So once you have some BNB, what you need to do now, come on here, I think type in Feg. So you can see Feg. So this is it. Okay, I think this one is currently in the BNB and I think in the H2. So I'm going to just click on it. So you can see it, but let me say if you want to buy 1 BNB worth of it, I think $934, that is 1 BNB, would cost you, like you would get 1 million Feg with it, right? So you need to connect your wallet. Once I connect your wallet, you're going to be able to pay the gas fee. So this is it, 0.0025. So once you're done, you can be able to buy Feg here on Trust Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Remember, this video is only for educational purposes only. I'll see you in the next video.